Getting to know Relay UK, the app that helps anyone with hearing and speech difficulties communicate by phone. Before you make a call, check you've installed the Relay UK app on your tablet or computer and linked it to the phone number of the phone or device you'll be using to make calls. If you've not already done this, please refer to our setup animations. This video describes how to call when you've set your Relay communication preference to typing and reading. But if you have chosen another preference, the steps are almost the same. To start a call, open the app on your tablet or computer. Then go to your phone and enter 18001 before the number you want to call. Once you've dialed the number, go back to the app on your tablet or computer. Once the call is connected to Relay UK, a join notification will appear in the app. Tap or click on that to join the call. The words "ring ring" will appear to show you that the person you're calling's phone is ringing. Once they answer, Relay UK connected text-to-voice will appear on your screen, and a Relay UK assistant will join the call, ready to begin the conversation. Just type what you want to say and read the reply as it comes through. Or, if you have set your preference to speaking and reading, you can speak your part of the conversation into your phone and read the replies in the app. Or, if you're set to type and hear, type your words into the app and listen to what's being said in reply on your phone. You select your communication preference when you set up the app, but you can change this at any time before you make a call under Settings if you want to. You can also communicate text-to-text if the person you're calling is using the Relay UK app as well. You're now ready to become part of the conversation. Visit our website for more step-by-step explainer videos.